Hi guys, let me show you how to get invisible username in Discord. Subscribe to get Mentory and let's go. By default, everyone in Discord can see your display name in chats, groups and servers. And even if you go to edit your profile and delete your display name and save changes, everyone still can see your username instead. But you can use simple trick to hide your display name. To do this, open your user settings, click on this gear icon, and in your account section, click on edit next to your display name, and replace your display name with these symbols. I will leave them in description, just copy, paste, and rid of these quote marks. Now save your changes. Close your settings, and now your username is invisible, but anyone can click on your profile and read your username over here. So guys, that's pretty it. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.